I stopped waxing completely. The difference is honestly incredible. Here is my progress after 6 weeks. Hi everyone, welcome to Aparna Thomas official YouTube channel. I am 1000% sure that this video is going to be super helpful for all of you guys, especially the girls who are right now struggling with heavy hair growth, because I stopped waxing completely ever since I started using this Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL. If you also want permanent hair reduction at home with just one product without the need to go to a salon or a clinic every now and then, you need to watch this video till the end. Today I'm sharing my complete journey with this and how this has become my go-to solution for smooth skin for life. So I have been using the Braun IPL for about 6 weeks and the difference is honestly incredible. Here is my progress after 6 weeks. Week by week, I have been noticing my hair getting thinner, patchier, and eventually not even growing back. So I was evaluating permanent hair reduction options. I was researching the laser hair treatments and IPL devices, and honestly, both of them work the same way in terms of technology, okay? Both use light to target the hair at the roots, gradually slowing down the hair growth. Now, the difference between laser and IPL is that laser is a more narrow spectrum, which is why it is faster, and it is also more painful, whereas IPL is broad spectrum, which is why it is less painful and it allows you to adjust the intensity. IPL may take you more sessions, okay? However, the results are eventually the same. Okay, to be very honest with you, I have actually gone through a few sessions with lasers, but it was too much of a hassle for me, okay? I had to get an appointment, go to the clinic, and I realized it would actually cost me more than ₹1,00,000. So I decided to, try the IPL device. And Braun as a brand is a trusted German brand with 100 years of legacy. And I heard a lot about it, so I decided to go for it. And I got the device for just ₹30,000, okay? It's a great one-time investment that lasts for more than 20 years because it comes with 4 lakh flashes. It is definitely way more cost effective than laser treatments, and it has definitely given me the best results, similar results, no pain, no hassle, and 100% convenient. Okay, so now let me show you how to use the device. Before that, IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, and the Braun IPL comes with 2 heads. The precise or the smaller head is for smaller areas or more delicate areas like your face and underarms, and the larger head is for areas like legs and arms. As the first step, I'm going to shave the area where I want to treat. So here in my case, it's going to be my legs. So I apply a little oil and shave the legs where I want to use the device. After shaving, go ahead and choose the mode. I am using the normal mode here. If you are a beginner or treating a sensitive area, always start with gentle or extra gentle mode and then either glide or stamp the device onto your skin. There is absolutely no need to use a protective eyewear. It is super safe that way. You just need to do a patch test before taking it to your skin. This device may not be suitable for darker skin tones. You can refer to the chart which is given on the screen right now to check if it is suitable for your skin tone. So now I'm going to show you my week by week progress after using the Braun IPL device. I have documented it all for you. So this is gonna be my week 1. This is the hair growth I had before using the device properly. This is by week 3 and 4. By week 3 and 4, I was able to see the hair growth in a more thinner way. The hair has become more thinner, more patchier here. And this is week 5 and 6. By this time, I noticed a significant reduction in the hair growth, and I was no longer worried about the hair regrowth at this point. Now let me tell you, the best part about having a Braun IPL with you is that the results are absolutely long lasting. You can do your hair removal routine with this device at your home, at your convenience, without even spending a bomb. Because I can understand the salon appointments, the clinic laser sessions can be really, really expensive. But this one is a one-time investment, you guys, because this will last you for a lifetime because it has 400,000 flashes and it is super convenient to use at your home. I am super happy with my decision. If you are also looking for a very simple, affordable, long time investment in achieving smooth skin, then I would say IPL is the best way to go. This is perfect. I'm going to be adding the Braun IPL's link in the description box for you guys. Just get yours right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.